all of you. Nowadays, we are staying at home and watching many things and observing many things around us, like cleaning of air, burning of candles, brown or red coating on iron objects, you all are thinking why we are talking about these things. Some of you are also obeying your hobbies like cooking food, preparing tea, etc. Why we are talking about all these substances or all these changes? This is known as chemical changes. Everything is going around us is known as chemical changes, like cleaning of air or burning of candles, or if we respire, we take oxygen inside. It occurs all because of chemical changes. So let's just start our first chapter. First chapter, chemical reaction and equation. Chemical reactions and equations. What is chemical reaction? Or we have to learn before chemical reaction, we have to understand reactions. What are reactions? Each chemical change is known as reaction. Reaction means two or more molecule of a substance react together and form a new kind of substance is known as reaction. They react together and form something new with new properties is called reaction. But if chemicals are involved, like if we take one example from here is burning of candle. Burning of candle have wick. Wick is white in color. It burn in presence of oxygen and form flames. Wick become, after burning, wick become black in color. In candle, wax also melted but can be regained in its shape. We have to take one more example like combustion or burning of carbon. Carbon burned in presence of oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide gas. Carbon means coal, it is solid and oxygen is gas, and also we will get gas. We have learned wick, which is white in color, turn its color into black. Carbon, which is solid, and the completion of this reaction releases carbon dioxide, a gas. Such type of reactions are known as chemical reactions which cannot be reversed. Chemical reactions cannot be reversed. We can take some more examples like activity which is given in our NCERT book, that is activity 1.1, in which we take magnesium ribbon and burn it in presence of oxygen. It forms magnesium oxide. when we go inside the kitchen, we start burning of gases. Gas stove, LPG burn in presence of oxygen and form blue flame. And we put a substance over it, it becomes hot. Means this in this reaction we can gain heat. So children, we have observed 4 kind of changes. 1, change in state, like hydrogen, which is gaseous, oxygen, which is also gaseous, and we will get water, which is in liquid form. So this is called change in state. If any kind of change occurs, this is called chemical reaction. 2 molecules, 1 molecule from hydrogen and 1 molecule from oxygen react together and form 1 molecule of water. Chemical reaction stands for when 2 or more molecules reacts together forms a new substance with entire new property. With entire new properties. This is called chemical reaction. So children, once again we go through it. Change in a state, we have already studied. Gases turns into liquid is called change in a state. Change in color, we have talked. White wick turn into black. White wick turn into black. Or if we burn a paper which is white in color, we get black color ashes. So it is also known as change in color. This is known as change in color. We have studied LPG burn and heat is released, then it is known as change in temperature. Next, one more changes which we can observe in a chemical reaction is release or evolution of gases. Evolution of gas. Easily we can see it when food is cooked, we get vapors of spices, we get temptation, and this is because of gaseous state or vapors of spices. But in a chemical substance, when zinc is added, in sulfuric acid, zinc sulfate is formed and hydrogen gas is released. So this is known as evolution of gas. ये हो गया। Now we start our second topic. This is all about chemical reaction, and about chemical equation we read in next lecture.